Now let's start with the example number 1. We are adding 2, 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. We are adding it. So we're going to write it vertically. So to be 2, 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. So we're going to add it. Remember, it's going to be vertical. Now you can see it says unit, tens, thousand. You see, then in order form. So, but the addition will start from the unit. Start from the unit from the right hand side. After we have arranged it properly, so we add 8 plus 5 is what? 13. So we write down 3. Now we borrow. We're going to carry the 1. Borrow 1 from here. We add it to the next number. So to be 1 plus 7 is what? 8 plus 2. So this one becomes what? 10. Now write down the 0. Now that one again we carry it next to the number. We are carrying it next to the number. So that 1 plus 4 is what? 5 plus 3 is what? 8. The last one is 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And this becomes the answer to adding 2, 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. You see the rule? We started from the right hand side. We started from the unit, not from the left hand side. We started from the right hand side. So, and from the unit. You see, if we check very well, we see this is under units, this is under tens, this is under thousand. You can see it's arranged properly, it's arranged carefully. It's among the rules that will guide you in adding and subtracting number. Thank you. Now let's go to example number 2.